Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you where am I now in the Google Maps. To check where you are now, at first you have to enter this application. But as you can see, if you don't give the location permissions, you will see nothing. So we have to exit the app and find the application in our apps list. Now we have to hold our finger on the application and tap App Info. Here we have to enter permissions and tap on location. Here you can select allow all the time or only while using the app, and here you have to make sure that precise location is enabled. Now if we go to the maps, we can see our marker, which is blue, and as you can see, this gradient is that where we are looking right now. We can calibrate it right now. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.